What is up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and this is the pre-order video for my live pour party number 14. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This is the pre-order video where I'm going to show you all of the molds that we're going to be pouring tonight at the party. I also do have some giveaways that we'll be doing, which I will talk about. But first, if you've never been to one of my live pour parties, they're super fun. I'm going to be melting down some silver. It looks like this, silver shot. It's all 3/9 fine, and I will be pouring it into these graphite molds. I have 2 furnaces that I'll be utilizing, and I'm going to be doing it all live. It's absolutely crazy. It's super fun to watch and participate in, and if you pre-order stuff, you can watch your piece get poured live. This pour party I'm actually doing on a day that I don't normally do it. I usually do it every other week. This is a 3rd week just because I'm going on vacation next week, so everything's a little bit messed up schedule wise, but these pieces that I pour tonight, they will get shipped in about 6 days. So normally I can turn them around and ship them out the next day or the day after. These ones are going to have to wait a little bit longer, so if you order anything, you'll have to wait just a hair longer, but they will all go out to the people that order them and all that good stuff. So anyway, let's talk about the giveaways real quick. So we will be doing 4 giveaways tonight. Of course, you'll get one of the 47th Dragon Legion stickers. And then this one here is just a silver dime. That's a 90% silver dime. There's going to be 3 giveaways just like that. And then the big one will be this guy right here. This is one of the 90% silver quarters that I smashed at the Oregon Coast Aquarium. That was a really fun video. If you missed it, I actually put a bunch of silver quarters into the quarter elongation machine in Oregon, and that was a lot of fun. So I actually got some 3/9 fine ones that I'll be doing in Disneyland next week, but this is just a 90% one. This will be given away to someone in the chat tonight. So to enter the giveaways, all you got to do is show up to the live stream, try and guess the right answer to a question I ask. If you're the first person to guess it right, then you will actually win. Okay, so let's talk about the pours. If you want to pre-order anything, there's 3 ways to do it. The best way to do it is just email me at silverdragons47@gmail.com. I'll put that in the description down below. You can also leave a comment on this video, or you can send me a direct message on Instagram letting me know what you would like to pre-order. And then as far as pricing goes, it's the exact same as last week. $30 per ounce with free USA shipping. And that includes obviously the stamping and polishing and all that stuff. If you want the piece to be antiqued, or if you want any special stamping, that's just $3 extra for each one of those things. Okay, so let's talk about the molds that we're going to be pouring tonight. The brand new one that I've never poured before is this one right here. It is the 4-leaf clover. And if you wanted to get one of these for St. Patrick's Day coming up, now is your time. I will have another pour party before then, but it's just a few days before, so you probably wouldn't get it in time. But these are really cool. I think it's probably going to be around 2 or 3 ounces. I'm not sure. I've never poured it before, so we'll have to wait and see. But I think that's a really cool design. So we got that one. I'm going to show you the other ones here pretty quick. We do have the hearts coming back. Those are around 2.5 ounces. We have the skull rounds. Those are really cool, 2 to 2.5 ounces. Bringing back the wolf. I haven't poured these in a while. It's kind of hard to tell, but it is a wolf howling at the moon, and they look really cool. Those are probably around 2.5 ounces as well. We do have the Second Amendment rights skull cowboy bars. These are really cool. They're about 3 ounces. Those are super fun. We also have the Aztec rounds. They end up being around 3 ounces, somewhere in the neighborhood of that, just like the ones from the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. We will do the American flag if we get any pre-orders for those. Those are about 3 ounces. We also have the Viking skull. I haven't poured this one in a while, so I thought we'd try it out. If anyone wants to pre-order one, these are about 3 ounces. They end up looking really cool. And then we have the Bitcoin. Haven't poured this in a very long time, but if anyone wants a Bitcoin round, I thought I'd just offer them up. And so those are around probably 3 ounces or something like that, maybe a little bigger. We do have the hexagons. I had a couple people wanted those in the last stream, so I thought, why not bring them back? Those are around 2 ounces. The eagles are on the bigger side. These are around 4 ounces, but they're absolutely gorgeous. I love these eagles. Yeah, those look really cool, polished or antiqued, and usually get really good ripples on those. Then we have the pyramids. These are around 3 ounces. Those are a favorite of a lot of people's. And this one, the gun, we actually had available in the last live stream, and there was a lot of people that ordered these. They're really cool. They come out to around 2 ounces. So anyway, that is all the molds. And that's some information about the party tonight. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you set a reminder on the live stream and all that good stuff so you don't miss it. It's going to be a blast. And I hope to see you all there. Silver Dragons out.